In this video, we are going to show you how to make your co-botic 1900 ready for use. First, lift the top lid and put it to the side. Check the 2 battery levels and make sure they are fully charged. Then, insert the batteries like this. Make sure you place the batteries correctly until you hear a click. Then put back the top lid. Then it's time to connect the co-botic 1900. There are 2 ways to do this. You can either connect your co-botic via a SIM card or via Wi-Fi. Let's start with the SIM card. To reveal the SIM card slot, you'll need to remove the dust bin and roller brush assembly. You can remove the dust bin by pressing this button, and the roller brush assembly by turning this knob. You can then pull it out. Take the provided screwdriver and unscrew the SIM card cover. Then insert the SIM card. Screw back the cover and put everything back. To turn on the machine, press the Start-Stop button for 2 seconds. The blue light on the machine will now turn on. You should be able to connect with a hotspot named iTeam Global CB1900. The password for this network is ABCD1234. Connect to this network. Then you need to put the co-botic 1900 into network configuration mode. You can do this by holding the Home and Start-Stop button until the co-botic 1900 tells you, start pairing the Wi-Fi. The co-botic 1900 is now in network configuration mode. Then, it's time to pair. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and grant location and nearby devices permissions to the app. In the app, press the plus icon in the top right corner and select Add Device. Once the app has discovered the correct device, connect to it. You can also do this manually by pressing Add Manually. When done manually, you will have to input the correct Wi-Fi information we told you before. iTeam Global CB 1900 and the password ABCD1234. If you are connecting via your own Wi-Fi network, the details will come up automatically. In both cases, when successful, the co-botic 1900 will tell you, Wi-Fi connection successful. Your co-botic 1900 is now ready to be used.